Live from the Icebox Studio in Montgomeryville, Pennsylvania, it's the Bill and Corey Show. I'm Bill, and Corey's out sick today, so it'll just be me. First question. Hello, I am looking for a replacement flow tube. The part number I was given is MCJ-0715-BU. This is a 0 to 0.7 standard liters per minute air. It's for a model 81-AF-590. Okay, let me explain flow tubes. We have two different size rotameters that have flow tubes in them. This is FM 1000 series, and then we also have the FM 1050 is a little bit taller than this. The flow tube is this little box thing in here. It holds the glass tube and the floats. And you can easily take it out by loosening up the screw on the top. And you can, if you have a rotometer, you can swap out these flow tubes, and we sell these separately. So it's easy to take out, easy to put back in. We even have videos on our online store and our tech support YouTube channel that shows you how to do that. If you do swap out the flow tubes, you might have to swap out the valve because the valves are sized. There's different valve sizing for the different flow ranges of the tubes, and they're pretty easy to take out too. So it's just take a wrench. It's an O-ring seal. You can pop it out and then put in a different valve if you need to put in a different valve. And snug it back up. What he was talking about, the 81-AF-590, I don't have an example to show you, but that is a regulator flow meter combo. So it's a pressure regulator and it's got a flow meter on the outlet. So that's what we can do there. Next question is, can I have a DIN 5 fitting for a 1250 series pressure regulator? And it was for, and he wanted it specifically for a brass pressure regulator. Well, the DIN 5 fitting, DIN 5, let me explain what the DIN fittings are. That's a German national standard for like our CGA connections. So they don't always line up with our CGA fittings. So the DIN 5 can be used for carbon monoxide series, which would be a CGA 350. But other DIN 5 gases include corrosive gases, and we wouldn't allow corrosive gases for a brass regulator. So what I have here, this is a DIN 10 connection. So they kind of look like it. This DIN 10 has a washer that goes on it, on there. And this is for just nitrogen. And the next question is about, we have a Matheson 55A-330 pack stem valve that we use with anhydrous HCl. As part of the process hazard analysis that we are conducting, we are in need of information on the inner diameter of the valve, that is the valve wide open 100%. Now this is one of our, this is the 55 series pack stem valve. We sell, this is a Monel, it's for corrosive gases. We also sell them stainless steel and brass, so you get one that matches up to your, what your gas can handle. It's a needle valve, and it's used for controlling flow out of a high pressure gas cylinder. These are rated up to 3,000 PSI service. So you can adjust that. It's got a 1/4 inch compression fitting on the outlet. If you want something modified, we can swap that out for you too. So this is just used for metering. It's not used for pressure control. And there's, you know, obviously if you want to have pressure control, use a pressure regulator. We had to check with the vendor of the body on the orifice sizing, but it was a 0.194 inch diameter orifice, and the C sub V is 0.35. And they, like I said, they wanted to do a process hazard analysis about the flow. So that's, and information, we got that information and we updated our online store so that it has that information handy. And we have a lot of technical information on our store at mathesongas.com site. So this is the Model 55. Our next question is on, they're looking for disc gaskets, DISS gaskets. Disc 632, 712, 716, 720, 724, 728. And there's other, now disc fittings, they're ultra high integrity gas service fittings, was developed in, the standard for it was developed in 1989 by the CGA. And they have, there's actually the 610 series and 710 series for that. And the 728 is also part of the 710 series. Now the DISS stands for Diameter Index Safety Standard. So the diameters of the fitting vary so that it can't get one type of fitting into a valve of another. And with those, you get multiple, well, you have all these multiple connections, but they have one common gasket that we sell. So this is our gasket. It's, you know, packed for ultra high integrity service, and it can be used in the any of the DISS ultra high integrity systems. Unlike regular CGA, if you're used to regular CGA connections, like you'll have different sizes, whether it's a CGA 320 or 326 or 180 or 170 or 679, they're all different size gaskets. But for the ultra high integrity service, they're just one gasket to pick from, and you should change out this gasket after every cylinder change out. It's a nickel plated gasket, so it needs to be changed out every time. Regular CGA gaskets, sometimes people will just use them until they're just not good anymore. So that's it. Well, we're a little short on this week. So that's all the questions we have for this week. Thanks for tuning in. Next week, hopefully we'll have Corey back. So tune in next Thursday at 10 a.m. and set your VCRs.